this one should blow the roof off the house.
Dropped! And that was a hard shot. Boy, he was able to reverse it and get out of that. So much on the line in this one. And like they say, on any given night, anything can happen in the Ouch!
And he collapses down to the floor.
Whoa, what a drop kick!
A stiff shot with the elbow. A tough jawbreaker there.
We're going to see a lot of effective moves like that in this match. And that was a disastrous turn of events. Oh, a reversal. Oh, geez. He almost had his head taken off with that one. It won't take long for the aggression to escalate quickly in this one.
Oh, don't do this.
What a tackle.
And there's the tackle. He's going. He got body on body there, but that's about it.
No, blocked.
These competitors.
Oh, what a swinging neck breaker. And there's an elbow drop.
Talk about a devastating maneuver. Now, who does a methodical pace benefit, King?
Well, whenever the dominating competitor takes his time, it gives everybody a chance to catch their breath. So I don't know. Blocked, and disaster takes advantage.
And there's the reversal. Oh, kick to the midsection.
You hear how his leg connected? There's going to be a lot of offense in this match.
Oh, what a kick to the head.
Oh!
And he's in a world of trouble here.
Bronco Buster! Bronco Buster! I love it!
What a fierce kick. He saw that one coming.
He's putting those educated feet to good use. The disaster can level buildings with a shot like that.
Hooks the leg, and he breaks the cover. What great action we've had in this match.
This could be huge.
What a match. And he gets out of the way.
No, not again.
And the disaster gets the shoulder up after a count of one. Look past the ring at the thousands and thousands of WWE fans in attendance. Each and every one of them are having a great time tonight. He's back on his feet, but you can see the abuse from this grueling match is definitely...
Oh my gosh! And the disaster nails it.
I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been into the cover, hooks the leg. 2, 3.
The disaster wins!
Here is your winner, Earth Blake.
Well, at least one superstar is happy that this one's over.
You said it. The only good thing for him is that the beating stopped.
What a way to end this night of WWE action.